Hey guys, my name is Abhinav from FrontRow. I've been playing the guitar for the past 20 years and this is the first time I'm on FrontRow's YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you some basic fingerstyle techniques and basic finger plucking techniques. So let's just get started. Okay guys, so let's talk about three different techniques, three most basic techniques which you need to know how to play fingerstyle guitar. The first one is always rest your right little finger onto the fretboard, onto the body of the guitar, so that you have more control over your other fingers while you're plucking the strings. Right? So always keep this part rested so that it gives good support also to your other fingers. So that's the first thing to remember, always rest your little finger on the body while you're playing fingerstyle guitar. The second thing to remember is the thumb should be used for the three bass strings of the guitar, which is the 6th string, 5th string and the 4th string. Right? So always the thumb should be used for the three bass strings of the guitar to be able to play good and clear fingerstyle guitar. Right? So what I played was hitting basically the 6th string and then the 5th string and then the 4th string. So the second most important point is use the thumb to pick the bass strings of the guitar while playing fingerstyle guitar. So that's the second thing. The third thing and the most important thing is your ring finger in most cases should be used to pluck the first string. Your middle finger in most cases should be used to pluck the second string, and your index finger should be used to pluck the third string, like this. Right? So those are the three treble strings of the guitar. So always use your three fingers, which is the index finger, middle finger and the ring finger, to pluck the treble strings of the guitar, and use your thumb to pluck the bass strings of the guitar, and always rest your right little finger onto the body. And those are the three very basic points of how to play fingerstyle guitar. Thanks guys. अगर आपके पास कोई और song request है fingerstyle guitar में सीखने को, तो drop it in the comments below. Thank you.